Hi, welcome back. I'm Noah from Easy Noah channel, and today you're gonna learn the E sounds of Zomi language. Hi, đam kim tắc mua kỳ thằng nào hiện ngay Easy Noah channel pa nín hồng hoa kỳ. Tu ni isin ding hiya le I o te isin ding he. Na ki nga le ki pan pa ni mo. If you're ready, let's get started. So, the first word I, I. We pronounce I as E sound. I B C D G he K L me N oi P S I C two different pronunciation U I we Z I Z. Okay, let's start again. I E B I B C I G D I A G he K me N oi P S I C U I we Z. Okay, let's learn the meaning of the words and also let's learn with the example sentences. The first one, BIB. Here you can see BIB, and this is be in BIB in be in BIB be in. Okay, be in. When I was younger, I saw be in some places, but not now. And the next is CIG. So this has three different meanings. The first is say. So let's see the example sentence. Siapa in nai qua a lai xin ke panding chie. So here CIG acts as a verb. So the meaning is the teacher said we will start our class at 9. Nai qua is at 9. Okay. Siapa means the teacher, the male teacher. The next is salt. Mẹ lạc á chỉ tắm sọ cái dầu mò. Mẹ lạc á chỉ tắm sọ cái dầu mò, which means don't put too much salt in the curry. Don't put too much salt in the curry. Okay. Mẹ is curry. Ji means salt in here, and the last meaning is seeds. Okay, ji kai ji atu hi. So kai ji is seed, tu mean plant. Okay, kai ji atu hi means there is no subject, so we can say he or she. Okay, let me just use he. He plants seed. I don't know what kind of seed it is. Okay, kai ji atu he means he or she plants a seed. Okay, the next dind. Dind is the same with ding. So, we use ding in question sentences. So but mostly we use ding instead of d. This is used in some places. So for example, no by ding, no by dimo, no pai di mo, which means no pai ding mo. Okay, they are the same. And you will see the other two example sentences. In the first example sentence, ding is used as a question sentence. In a question sentence, ding. Okay. In the next example sentence, ding ding keo tu o, ding ding keo tu o. It means don't stand, sit down. Ding ding means standing. The last example sentence, no này băng dạ ding ding, no này băng dạ ding ding. Okay. um, this means when will you leave, when will you leave. Okay. And next, EIA. This means hour or hours. Zin te a kiang hong tung ding u hi ven. Zin te a kiang hong tung ding u hi ven. Zin te means guests. And the guests will stay in our house. Okay. Even though there's no house in the example sentence, this implies that the guests will stay in our house. A kiang in our house. Okay. So the next, a is also used at the end of the sentence. For examples, ไปนี่ไปนี่ไปนี่ let's go. Okay, let's go. The next example sentence, อุดข้างอุดข้าง here a doesn't imply the plural. Here it means I don't want to do it, or I don't want to go. I อุดข้างอุดข้าง I don't want to plus something. Okay. อุดข้างอุดข้าง Okay. The next is อีลอมแต่มัวร้อนตุงตาอีลอมแต่มัวร้อนตุงตาอีลอมแต่ means our friends. มัวร้อน means at the top of the mountain. ตุงตาmean arrive. Our friends have already arrived at the top of the mountain. Okay. So the next, Jiangi. Jiangi means kind. For example, Jingnu pen amigi nume khat ahihi. Jingnu pen amigi nume khat ahihi, which means Jingnu is a kind girl or woman. Jingnu is a kind girl. Okay. Jiangi can also act as a noun. If it is a noun, it means boundary. So here the meanings: boundary, as in gamgi, which the letter for boundary between fields. Okay. The next, he is used at the end of the sentence. For example, nào bằng kem biểu in lại xin hoài hi. Nào bằng kem biểu in lại xin hoài hi. Okay. Nào bằng kem biểu, all children lại xin hoài hi should learn. Okay. Lại xin hoài hi. Nào bằng kem biểu in lại xin hoài hi means all children need to learn. Or this can mean all children need education. The next example sentence, เรียนหนู in หลายที่ เรียนหนู in หลายที่ which means เรียนหนู is writing. Okay, เรียนหนู is writing. he can act as a verb. For example, หมกอละเป็นเกยกะฮิเกฮี หมกอละเป็นเกยกะฮิเกฮี which means I didn't take the snacks. I didn't take a snack, or I didn't take a snack. Kahikehi, I am not. Kahikehi, if we translate this directly, it means I am not. I am not the one who took the snack. The next example sentence, Himahi. Aman mo alakehi. Himahi means yes. Aman mo alakehi means he didn't take the snack. The next, ke anki. So in ke anki means horn. If if it acts as a verb, if it acts as a noun, it means horn. Bong in ki anehi. Bong in ki anehi. Bong is cow, okay? So bong in ki anehi means a cow has horns. The next, I think I'm not sure about this one, but it's like the preposition. So let's see the example sentence. The first one is Sangpi le Zamnu akimu uhi. Sangpi and Zamnu are meeting, or Sangpi and Zamnu met each other. Okay. And the next is Kilung tuak a nasep kop ding to pi hi. Kilung tuak a nasep kop ding to pi hi. It means it is important to work together, okay? To work together, or it can also mean it is important to work with unity. And the last sentence, Sanu akihoi sakma mahi. This sentence can be translated into English directly because there is no such a phrase like this, but I can explain it. Sanu akihoi sakma mahi means Sanu thinks herself that um, she's she is a very beautiful girl. She acts like she is the most beautiful girl. Okay. Elaine Lee. Elaine Lee means, now you know it, right? You've learned the numbers in the previous video, right? If you learned, you might know this word. If you haven't, I hope you learn. Okay, here Ui li kanehi. Ui li kanehi. Ui means dog. Li four. Kanehi I have. I have 4 dogs. Ui li kanehi. Am I me? Am I me means human people, okay? No kana mi bang za pa. No kana mi bang za pa, which means how many people or students are there in your class? How many people or students in your class? No kana mi bangza. No kana mi bangza. You can shorten the question. No kana mi bangza. The last question. No mi bangza. No mi bangza. How many people are there? How many people are there? How many people? Okay. And mihing. Mihing. Me and mihing are the same. It means human or people. Vantung, me. Vantung is the sky. Me is human. But if we put together, it means angels. Vantung me, angel. Okay, angel. The next, Anaini. Anaini has 3 different meanings. The first one, let's read the example sentence. Ni asama mahi. Ni asama mahi means it's very hot. Is very hot. Or the sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The next sentence. Kaniin tani anehi. Kaniin tani anehi. So you've learned tieta, right? Tani. What is the meaning of tani? It means, yeah, ta is sun. Ni means two suns. Kani here it means my aunt. My aunt has 2 sons. My aunt has 2 sons. Okay, and the next example is tu ni ni bangza a. Tu ni ni bangza a. Tu ni บังษาตัวนี้นี่บังษา which means what day is today what day is today นี่ฮีเอนี่ฮีเอนี่ฮีเอ it means it's Tuesdays is Tuesday okay the next oi is interjection the example sentence is กะกอลูกคู่น้องต่อยคณะกะกอลูกคู่น้องต่อยคณะกอลูกคู่ is umbrella okay itกะกอลูกคู่น้องต่อยคณะ means do you bring my umbrella do you bring my umbrella and the other person answer ôi kiên mắng nhật ôi kiên mắng nhật oh my goodness I forgot it okay ôi is like oh my goodness or oh my god and the next is BIB okay and I will read the example sentence kapi in kay hong it ma mahi kapi in kay hong it ma mahi kapi is my grandma kay I or me hong it ma mahi means loves me very much kapi in kay hong it ma mahi means my grandma loves me very much the next sentence ni pi ni chiang ki khom ni e ni pi ni chiang ki khom ni e ni pi ni is Sunday ni pi ni chiang ki khom ni e means let's go to the church on Sunday let's go to the church on Sunday and the next sentence is เลียนปีอินอนุอายิตมะมะฮีเลียนปีอินอนุอายิตมะมะฮี here เลียนปี is a name okay ปี a name ปี is a name mostly if a person has a nickname like ปีเลียนปี or ทังปีthey can be the eldest in their siblings but we can assume like this for sure but you can consider it okay because most of the people who has the name of B they are the eldest and the last example sentence is u nong cha chang mo tampi pi hong poko mo u nong cha chang mo tampi pi hong poko mo and this sentence sounds like a baby is talking or a child is talking to his or her brother okay the sentence means come back with a lot of snacks please come back with a lot of snacks or please come home with a lot of snacks if we translate this directly it will be like please come back with a lot of snacks or please come home with a lot of snacks and the next is SIC or SIC these also have different meanings and different pronunciation so let's see the example sentence the first one is can be in a see a home he can be in a see a home he home means donate or give can be is a name can be in a see a home he means can be donates his blood okay can be donated his blood and the next is จอจออีปูอาซีฮีจอจออีปูอาซีฮี here C means die okay Jojo's grandfather died or passed away Jojo grandpa passed away and the last example sentence is นับวนต่อกิลอมสีจานับวนต่อกิลอมสีจา here C acts as an adjective it means you look so gorgeous you look so nice with your dress or with your clothes นับปวน means clothes or dress กิลอม look goodกิลอมสีจา looks very good นับปวนต่อกิลอมสีจา it means you look very gorgeous with your dress. Okay. And the next, you and we has two different meanings. The first one is dog, like we've learned in the previous slides. The other meaning is very greedy in eating. It's like a glutton. So if a person is a glutton, if a person is eating too much, you can say we tak je, or we chịu tak je, which means oh you eat the food greedily, or you eat the food too much. Okay. And the last word is ziz. Ziz means wife. Okay. But if you say z, it means market. This word comes from a Burmese word z, but we say z. Okay, market. So let's see the example sentence. Hoi nu pen lian nu I zi a hi hi, which means Hoi nu is Lian No's wife. Hoi nu is Lian No's wife. And the next example sentence, zi ipai dia, which means shall we go to the market? Shall we go to the market? So this is for today, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you understand the lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and thank you for watching, and have a good day or have a good night. Bye.